If you want to change stereo mode in VLC Media Player, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to switch between mono, stereo, left channel, right channel, and reverse stereo in just a few clicks. This is really useful if one audio channel sounds louder than the other, if you want to test your speakers, or if you just need to adjust playback for better listening. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, just like you normally would. Once VLC is open, play any audio or video file so you can hear the changes as you make them. The stereo mode setting can be adjusted while media is playing, which makes it very easy to test the difference right away. Now go to the top menu bar and click on Audio. This is where VLC keeps all the sound-related playback options. After clicking Audio, look for Stereo Mode in the drop-down menu. When you hover over or click that option, VLC will show you the available channel settings. From here, you can choose Mono if you want both channels mixed into a single output. You can choose Stereo if you want standard left and right playback. You can also select Left if you only want the left audio channel, or Right if you only want the right channel. If you need the channels swapped, choose Reverse Stereo. This is especially helpful if audio is coming out of the wrong side of your headphones or speakers. The best part is that the change happens immediately. You do not need to restart VLC, reload the file, or save anything. As soon as you click your preferred stereo mode, VLC applies it instantly, so you can listen and decide whether the new setting works for you. If the sound still doesn't feel right, you can always go back to audio, choose stereo mode again, and try a different option until it sounds exactly how you want. That flexibility is one of the reasons VLC is such a powerful media player. So to quickly recap, open VLC, click Audio from the top menu, select Stereo Mode, and then choose Mono, Stereo, Left, Right, or Reverse Stereo. The change is instant and you're done. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful VLC tips and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.